Alright, welcome back everyone. CAD 201. We are getting ready to draw the Geneva Cam if you need help with it. And this is in standard inches. Blow it up a little bit so we can see it. File new. And this is standard IPT. So we already draw this. I'm going to draw trying to think what would be the easiest way to draw it so I'd have the less model history. There's a lot of different things I could do here. I'm just going to start out right in the middle here, and I've got a 1.5 diameter. Okay, and actually I don't even need that right now because I could add that in later. Let's just do the bore. That's right, 1.5 diameter is perfect. And then I'll just go ahead and overall it's 8 inches on the diameter. Alright, we got that. There's a few things I could do here. The thickness is half. I want to show you. I'm just going to go ahead and just add the extrude, the thickness on this of a 1/2 of an inch. Come over here, and I'm just going to go right here. And these are right here is this circle diameter is 4.5 diameter, so I just really quickly 4.5. And it just shoots all the way out. So I'm going to have right there at that intersection a 0.75 diameter. I see that right down here. I just hit line and hit it at my quadrants up here. Bring it all the way out. Come down and bring it back to my quadrant. And then I want to trim this out. And all I have to do at this point, and I've got a couple things I want to do. I'd like to put in this, we've got this circle in here too. And this was actually at a 60 degrees, so I should have probably done that to begin with. Let's go back there and do that. It might make it a little easier on us. Let's come up here and put this line from here to over here would be angle-wise straight up and down is 90 and 60 off of it, so this would be 30 degrees. So I just tab over to there, 30, and now just do the same thing you did. 0.75. And if you want, you can come up here and hit that intersection there and do 0.75 as well. Line, and what I do is we got to hit that quadrant, we know. So what I want to do is I'll put me a line up through here like this, use my tangent, snapped it right on, and you could just do an offset if you want it from that. There we go. And just trim out this stuff. I think it might be a little easier to do it like this, and then just tie it together so you'll have a closed point. Alright, so now I'm going to delete this line out so it's gone. And also, if you'll notice here, you got this little cutout here, this little circular cutout, and it's going 4.5 radius, so I want to put a 4.5 radius in here, so double that, it's 9-inch diameter, right? So it comes out here, and then what we'll do is we'll center it up right there, and that's the center point of it. And we're going to go out to 1.5, so that would be a 3-inch diameter. And we are just going to leave it just like that. And I'll delete that out. So I'll finish my sketch out. I want to extrude these two characters here. Turn to fuzz, get this one. And I want to through all and make sure it's doing a cut and then do OK. So you can kind of see right there how we look. And at this point, I want to rotate it around this thing. So I want to do a plane. No, actually not a plane, but I want to do a work axis, and come in here. And you want to catch the center. You see that little line pop up? Click it. You got it. And now let's go about this thing and I'll open it up here where I can see a little bit better. And let's find our tools that we want. Here it is, patterns. Took me a minute to find it. Circular pattern. The features that I want, I can come down here and hit the extrusion too, or I can go there and just hit them like that. Either way, if you come here and hit extrusion 2, your axis is going to be that center line. You could have clicked it over here as well, that work axis. And there's how many? There's 6 of them, and 360 degrees. Hit OK. Puts it in there for you. And, you know, roughly that's your Geneva Cam right there. We just got a couple little things to do to it to finish it up, but let's do that. So what I want to do now is start new sketch on the face of it. Circle. And this one is out here, and we can look at the side view of it. It's 2.5 diameter, so 2.5, quick and easy. If it doesn't do it, I have to hit dimension. For some reason it wasn't coming up there, but 2.5. That's basically it. Finish the sketch on that. Extrude that one on out. How far does it go out? 1 inch. This was a half, so it'd be 1/2 inch extrusion from the base where we started from. And I didn't like that, so I'm going to go back in and fix that because my hole should have been through it. So that's good. It's actually in my extrusion here in my profile. I'll delete my profile and I'll catch it again. And it should be not catching the circle. So what I got to do here is go back to my sketch, and I can either put a circle in there or I can project my geometry, whichever one I want to do. And now it's going to recognize that, and when I go to extrusion, I can actually go here and delete my profile and add it back in. See, as I get closer to it, just that emerges, so we're good. New sketch on the face of it. I'm going to put that keyway in, and just roughly, I'm just going to go in here, just do that. Dimension it out. This thing is the keyway is 0.36 wide. Was pretty close to it, wasn't we? And 0.20 up. But before I do anything, I'm going to pull that up. I hit escape before I did that. Bring this up. Dimension it out. 0.2. Okay. So it's not what I wanted to do. I'll grab that, escaped it, and I pulled that on. Well, I got it locked here, don't I? 0.4 is fine. My dimension, I want to go from here to here. Actually, I'll put a line right across here. Gives me something to measure off of. I'll go from here to here. That should be 0.2. Okay. And then also from that point right there, there to there, be 0.36 divided by 2. Puts everything right in the middle. Finish it up, extrude it out. we'll just do both of them, cut through all, make sure cut's on, okay. And you notice it kind of caught there, so we got to go back and see what's going on here. And I see what happened. So, because that line was there, it just didn't catch all that. So double click this again, drop that profile, click on it. When you come in here, click it, click that, and then make sure you catch that and cut. So all of it's cut through there. Looks good. This has also got a fillet on it right there, radius of 0.25. At the very end of a drawing, make sure that you get those added in, because those are very important. And then hit OK on it. So that's got that. Looks good. And that should be your Geneva Cam. If y'all need help with this thing, just let me know.